that. Mad. When we say SM for life, it's for life, you understand? Charlie, you hear the music for the background. Yeah, it be clean out, you understand? Charlie, this evening, we want to talk something small. I beg, load the volume, give me. Make them hear the music for the background. Charlie, you see this SM empire where the thing where they go on? Yeah, it no be anything, no. So you people where they call and test me, say my brother snitch, my brother he be snitch, he be do what? He be skoky what you guys they do. My brother no do anything. Charlie, free captain. He be talent, oh, talent. Go ask since day one. We all dey need Mama Mobi. We all dey need Mama Mobi, oh. You see that the rate captain plus root boy, this sheriff them. You understand now? Yeah. I deserve my man. John 77, I don't know him. Recently, me and Natalie, we get confusion. Forget time. But we dey talk through matter. It be talent. For the militant inside or it be captain pay where get talent. You know, be say they hate somebody or they hype my bro. No, you know, be say they hype my bro. No, you know, be so. But it be talent. If you all go talk through. We dey hear the militants and go London. My brother no go. We no talk. We take camp 10. You know, we say we no go feel go, but we humble on ourselves. You go your London camp. You do everything. Captain no complain. You think say, you went where you see Shatawale. We dey am for Nima. Yellow House, we dey Shatawale. Even me, Crampo, I go talk say my care. Lonzy Blade, you know how it tire plus Shatawale, but him Crampo then sack him. So while he go fit decide and sack everybody at any time. So make you not come my DM then come talk me say your brother be snitch. You know snitch, when they talk about snitch, you know snitch. You know the room where we roam for Nima. Go ask. Everybody they do music. Then times 2G15, 2G16. You know where we they roam? We they go big shows. Captain, the time we play the manager. You know what they do? Michigan, everybody get captain. The whole Nima. If you remove this sheriff, the root boy ranking for Mamobi. When you come to Nima, the super way they there. It be captain. You know, if only this clean out song where makes Shatawale like captain. Captain be talented. Make them talk the truth. John 77. Natalie, Adisef. No, they no go fit. When it come lyrically, captain go murder everybody. Captain be superstar. When you come to the SM Empire, if you come there, this sheriff, you come control SM Empire. He be the SM Prince up to date. You don't see anybody where they call he be the SM Prince. No, he be this sheriff. Arabic people with them day. Everybody. But the only thing be say, he be talent. Adisef they try. John 77 they try. Natalie they try. Everybody they try. Adisef, he get dancehall voice. Yeah. He get dancehall voice. But if they talk talent, captain get talent past everybody. I know they hate any bro. Or I know they support my bro. They come talk say, my bro better pass all of them. So make no come talk. If such a wire, if Wale come sack everybody for the SM Empire, he sack them. But you see say come post, say captain they bring fire. I understand. Because for the militants inside, if the captain will go fit Shatawale, if he come raga, captain go raga give you. What? If you understand, if he talent, if you God will take give him. Go Beast Gota, go downside. Baki Larry, Junior Combat, Badman Seeker. If you damn way them then captain. Way back where they talk, but still you never sell out them dead in the middle. You don't go talk you say captain be talented. So they talk about talent, you know we say you go snitch or something. No. Even if we will go talk the true matters. Make we talk the true matters. Shatawale go like captain pass everybody because if you come to music, it be captain we understand music. Captain where they do music. All the track inside. Everybody releasing track. Natalie Mu, everybody Adisef. It be money where them put for inside. But you know, don't complain. It be a trend. Future picture come do your own. All the music where them drop come do. But captain don't complain. You lie bad. He sweet past all of them. Where they you listen to what they talk. It be talent, my bro. No can't talk me say my brother go snitch or my brother go do this. No. My bro no do everything. It be talent will make you they see him say be snitch. You know be snitch. Every superstar If your talent will go make you 10. You understand? The rest you get money. The dog say you get money. We too we get money. Even the time we Captain de Michigan, Capo them, Spuyo, Michigan, you know how they support them. You know money where they spend for Captain in top. They there, Michigan we dey Captain back. We they spend money for in top. So make you not talk say if you get money, why say no go London? London no be anything. London where you go, wait till you come talk. You know can't talk anything. You no go do anything. You go London, come we dey Ghana. So talent is still there. Ghana will go talk through. Ghana will make it talk through. Because he's a captain. He be superstar for the militants inside. He be the only artist where Shatawale sign with Wamboka. Wamboka. Some artists in the pen or signing a Wamboka. Apart from this Sheriff Mubakoyo, this Sheriff them come go. Yeah. You understand? But for the militants inside right now, these 4 people, and then before or 3. Natalie, John 77 that I deserve them. Everybody they try, everybody they play in role. As I talk you, I deserve he get dancehall voice. You see how Carter they become yo Gaza. Yeah. Me I dey like I deserve in voice. You understand? But if he come lyrically, my bro be baddest. You go murder all the militants. You if you talk say they lie, make we host freestyle. Make we host freestyle keke. That way we go no say, you know be freshness. You know be anything. You know be say money or something. We talk about talent. We know they talk about money. We talk about talent. Talent. Captain get talent past all the militants. I go talk and talk again. Even Shatawale Krampo endorse. Cause way back, good music make you go way back. Mama be Nima. I deserve they do in music. Everybody they do in music. By Captain, he release good music. The whole Nima, the whole Ghana company go talk. If he Captain way come do what? He can release clean art. Everybody they like. Even if you be hater Crampo, you go like clean art to the whole wide world. Shatawale listen to that track where he say no. Today they talk you the reason why Captain go SM Empire. Clean art. If you listen Crampo, you know be superstar. We go know say this song be song. So if you understand, so make you not come the talk say it goes snitch. You know be snitch. Even if the talk snitch, I know snitch. Why? You just say you go the embassy Sam, you know go. He lower himself for the SM Empire inside because you know what he wants. You know what he wants. You know what he wants. So he humble himself. He be humbleness. Captain. You see, if you America where Shatawale go take him go. America. You know we say London, if you American. Because if you the only artist where Shatawale go take him go anywhere, no go shine. If you come freestyle, Captain go do freestyle give you. If you come singing, he get different voices, so make I talk you. If you don't know, I listen to his songs. Captain get different voices. He get voices like 4, 5. He go fit change in voice, then sing. You go fit change in voice and sing give you. You go think say it be girl will sing the song. But I know be girl. You know be girl will sing the song go. It be Captain will go sing. So if you humble yourself, niggas. The SM Empire, they don't be say my brother is snitch. You know snitch, you don't do anything. It be in talent will make the It be in talent will make the like him. You know be anything. It be in talent. So make you stop this. Captain go snitch. They sack everybody. Shatawale they like Captain. Although Shatawale not in favorite son, he be this Sheriff. I deserve come the Empire. Oh, Adi. You know if you say they call your name, be say no. The talent in there make you talk about talent. So make you stop the spread the rumors and talk say Captain go do this. No. You for listen to what they go on. I beg you, Ghana, make you not come spoil my bro in name. I know they defend them, I know that, but they be the true thing where they talk you. You know, beside they make I give you some dates inside. I better go Abilekuma. Or go Asalaja, you go get site chow for them. Why? You see, I be Yahoo boy. I know be Yahoo boy. Me to be superstar. I be superstar. I know the browse. Chama, they promise you. Back to business. Chale, so I beg you. If you like, come near Mama Mobi. come near Mama Mobi, come Bees. If you like, come near Mama Mobi, come Bees. Come Michigan. If you want to know Captain, come Michigan. Come make you play you in song or since it starts till the time we come end. Hey, go listen. Kungan last unku. Kun sang kama muigbe. Hey, you know the song where really you make it talk child. Come Michigan, we go show you songs. Make you come out all at the 7 song come. Make you come out all join 7 songs. Then everything come. Make you come out Captain to your own. Then make you do comparison. Make you do comparison. Make you do comparison. Chale freestyle DM me, I go give you freestyle. Yeah, we dey talk serious issue where we dey talk for here. You know, be freestyle section. Some people want to tarnish my bro image. You understand, So you always be clean heart to make Captain go far. Captain will be clean heart to make you go far. Where the talent today? Me, I no go fit talk without talking about talent. Oh, I no go fit talk without talking about talent. My bro, you get talent. Yo, Sparrow Kinjello. Chale, I won't make you tell them. Make you know say when a super, you know be Zuku. If be in talent way, make Shatta Wale like him. So make you stop they do snitch, say he be snitch. My brother no be snitch. He no be snitch. He be good music. Then good talents where he get. Even if Shatta Wale sack him today, we can't talk me as they sack you. I know they support anybody. I they talk the truth thing. If Shatta Wale sack all of them, Kwampo today, if the Captain where we Michigan, we go push him. We go no say no, the boy in us, then contract finish. If he in way what? He make SM Empire proud. You understand? Captain, even today, if Shatta Wale talk say contract finish, everybody make you goals. I swear, if the Captain will go hit for Ghana. Mark this thing. For the militants inside, be Captain. Forget money issue, not be anything, be talent. So go in talent go make somebody go sign him, then do better things give him. Oh, Chale, you are not going to argue with small boys. How come? Join 77. On your tree raga, on your tree pop. We dey talk about real music, they come talk shit. Nigga, you yourself compare. You come, I go send you Captain in tracks. Make you listen, then you know. Go YouTube, then go search Captain in music. Then listen, keke. Or follow him for Snap. Then make DM and make you send you in tracks. Then listen. Chale, you go listen to good music. You understand? So if Shatta Wale talk says Captain make you go, Michigan still will get him back. If you Michigan will manage Captain where Shatta Wale come take oh. If you don't know today, I dey tell you make you know. If Captain come host today, Michigan still get Captain. Michigan, we go manage Captain make you go. Still, he get support. We go rise one as super. Talk your own. Everybody their own. If I deserve be best, I know they hate I deserve. I deserve be my main man. I deserve. He be my nigga. Yeah, they love him. I love him voice. As I they talk you. By you know we get everything class by class. You know go fit take Corolla S compare Camry Spider. Same way you know go fit take Spider compare Benz, then Range Rover. So if you understand, it be stage by stage. It be stage by stage. So if you understand. Oh, Captain no sell out anybody. Nigga, this issue, if you know, go biz. Make you know, Lonzy Blade. Captain the Lonzy Blade, then they cool, they know they fight. If you want let them Lonzy Blade will get issue, Captain, you know go feel put him out for inside. You understand me, nigga? You know go feel put him out for inside. If be them my issue. He be contract to come, he be small boy. So if you follow, waiting, I want to achieve what he take and go SM Empire. Now, if we dey talk fame, we know the top fame. We will go classes. It be like say we go school. We get the talents where we go polish them. We get the talents where we go polish them. So we go polish them for Wale in there. When Wale no say, yeah, Chale. For school inside, we go school. Me, I not talk you say my school now they chop first. I get person where they chop first, but school now they chop fifth. Me my born in me here there. So you see, school we all go, but I will get best. Somebody go, you go know something past you. So that be how it did. Them all them go school. But the school, no, the exam, if you be 100% with the mark, captain gets 90. At the self go get 80. Then the rest will make them go farm. Me I support me, my mom will be. He be one of supers. If I J captain for the SM militant inside, next week I go JB at the self. But if you talk about talent, yeah, captain, you self, if you read and talk the truth. If Ghana, we all go talk the truth. So you know be snitch. If like you hear say Shatawale post captain say captain they bring fire. Captain Eden Shatawale get music chow where they no release. If they release, you or your head go bash. Your head go bash you because you dey listen to real dancehall lyrics. You know if you say it's not no, you go do musical. Music, if you like put money for inside, if you no be talented, you no go anywhere. They stop they say I deserve you do videos in what? You know be videos we go chop. It be the talent. I deserve getting talent, captain getting talent. Everybody getting talent. But you understand, but captain be the best for the militants inside. Go argue with the sea. Or go farm. I talk my own. So I beg Ghana make you stop. Then talk say captain be snitch. Listen, make I talk you. Even if it be my car or my room where I go sell. I go make sure if captain left SM Empire. If captain left SM Empire, I go try them worry. Chris Wadu go sign him. He be renew one. We postpone him too. I go try my best and talk give Wadil. Wadil go fit sign captain because captain you know be Zuku artist. If captain go AMG, we go get money. But captain no dey leave SM Empire. No, he did there. Even if Wale Saka still we did there because we know what we dey want. We never go. We go there still. But if the contract finish, make everybody share apart. We go tear apart. But still, make you guys give him say if captain left SM Empire, we will go do the make AMG sign now. We go do the make AMG sign now. Make you understand. Anywhere where we go force where we go make captain go. Anywhere captain go, we go. Because AMG and SM will be one family. AMG, SM be one family. Shatawale no go talk anything. Because you know say be contract. So this one go here, then contract finish. He go happy himself because if captain come AMG, here then crown pan, Wale go feature him. Because if him now we go Sansu push. So that way if you no say captain no go left SM. Chale, late I better go bed. But I no want make you they try and spoil the name. Then this bloggers then they not get work to do. You get 200 CD, somebody send you then spread bad news. They spread bad news, then they happy you. Talk the true matter. Make them know. I throw challenge. If you like, bring your superstar. We go host. If you like this Corona pass and we go host show. All the militants, the captain, make come freestyle and see. We don't go come stand there and do, yeah, you know, We don't go do that thing. We don't go do that thing. So understand, captain be the best among all the SM militants.